Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make a beautiful prawn, mango and avocado salad. Prepare the prawns by first removing the head. I just give the tail a little squeeze and then tug it right off. Then I push both of my thumbs underneath the shell and pull it back to remove the shell and the legs. It's okay to give the prawns a little wash in some clean water just to remove any residual sand or grit. Clean up the prawn by removing any discoloured flesh from the head part of the prawn. Then go and slice a line down the back of the prawn. Open it up and remove the intestinal tract. Now onto the mango. Cut off the cheeks from either side of the mango. Hold the mango cheek in the palm of your hand and with a sharp knife make slices through the flesh of the mango cheek. Then using a dessert spoon, wedge its way between the skin and the flesh and pull down to release the slices of mango. You're going to use a similar method with the avocado. Cut the avocado in half and remove the seed. Put one half of the avocado in your palm of your hand and then using a knife, make slices through the flesh. Then, using a dessert spoon, release the slices into a bowl. Now let's get on to prepping the iceberg lettuce. Set aside 2 large leaves from the top of the lettuce. Then, cut the remaining half of the lettuce into wedges. To make the dressing, in a small bowl, dump the cream, lemon juice, olive oil, Dijon mustard and a pinch of salt. Using a small whisk, combine the ingredients until they are emulsified. Okay, now let's build the salad. Lay the large leaves to create a bed of lettuce on your platter. Then go ahead and scatter the wedges of lettuce. Then randomly place the mango over the lettuce leaves. Then I scatter the prawns in and amongst the mango. Now layer on the avocado. Scatter over some macadamia nuts. Then finish off with that delicious creamy dressing. And there you have it, a beautiful prawn, mango and avocado salad. It's super easy, so I really hope you give this one a go and I really hope you enjoy.